Advising clients across Cape Cod and across the country. Here he is, your host, J. Christopher Boyd.
Hey, this is Chris Boyd with Something More Extra after the show. I'm here with my brother Keats Boyd, an attorney at law with Boyd & Boyd PC. We talked a little bit about some immigration things today at the first hour, and we had Dan Shores and Randy Hunt make an appearance. But we also, in the second hour, we're talking about estate planning, particularly for young families in beginning their estate plan.
Right.
So, Keats, you had some events coming up. You want to let people know.
Right.
Might be a good time to think about checking these out.
All right, so we're having a couple of seminars on this subject about planning for young families with minor children. What are the considerations, what things you need to consider having as a part of your plan, what documents are important to consider to include. And the seminar is going to be on July 29th. That's a Tuesday. We're going to have it both at 10 a.m. in the morning and also at 6:30 at night. So if you would like to learn more about this, how an estate plan is an important part for you to make sure the right people are in control of your money, to take care of your minor children should something happen to you, who's going to have custody of your minor children so that they can impart the values and give the
care for them,
care
the
that you want to
them.
have done. So these are all the considerations, or some of the considerations, and we want you to be able to come and learn a little bit about them in this seminar.
Why certain techniques are better than others, what structures you might need in place for the kinds of tools, the documents you might want to have.
Right. So again, that's Tuesday, July 29th at either 10 a.m. in the morning or at 6:30 at night, and it'll go for about an hour to an hour and a half. There'll be an opportunity for you to ask questions and after the presentation or even during the presentation. So again, bring a friend, bring your spouse.
Send your kids, the adult kids, I mean.
Right, your adult. Yeah, if you have adult children that you think might be have learned something from this, please feel free to have them come. So you can make a reservation for the seminar a couple of ways. You can call our office at 508-775-7800, or you can go to our website, boydandboydpc.com, and click on the seminar schedule, and there's a sign-up block right at the bottom of that page. So feel free to do either one of those, and I look forward to seeing you on July 29th.
It's a good time to think about the insurance issues, too, when you're thinking about these kinds of issues. Focus on the will, focus on getting the right trust or whatever it is that you need for your plan to make sure the people are set up, the structures are set up to care for your family in the event you're not here to do it. But you also want to make sure there's funds available for the family, and so you should think about that issue as well. Maybe it's a good time to also tie in some of that financial planning, kind of get you on the path for the long road ahead to get your finances where you want it to be over time.